Kung naghahanap kayo ng spinning reel na pangmalakihang isda talaga, pandagat, napakatibay at napakalakas, ito na yung hinahanap nyo. So this is the KastKing Capstan Elite. So thank you very much KastKing for sending us one. So itong Capstan Elite is one of the top reels ni KastKing. So you could expect a state-of-the-art engineering. And yes, yung gear niya palang is made from manganese brass. And that is 20% stronger than aluminum and 95% stronger than zinc alloy. So this reel with its very powerful gearing, yung kanyang body is made from aluminum. And with the higher sizes, pati yung rotor niya is also made from aluminum. So this reel, itong hawak-hawak natin na 6,000 size, ang kanyang drag capacity is 40 pounds. And it is produced by the 6-disc na carbon na drag washer sa drag system ng reel na to. So tingnan nyo naman yung kanyang spool. It is made from CNC aluminum, just like yung kanyang handle. So this is a direct drive CNC aluminum na handle and naka-round knob na siya. So a combination of the gearing and the drag system and the construction of the reel, kahit malakas pa yung hila ng isda, it requires less effort to reel in the fish. So with the 6,000 size, yung kanyang gear ratio is 5.7. Every full turn of the handle, you retrieve about 41.5 inches of line. Yung kanyang bearings is 6+1 Maxidor shielded bearings plus isa pang bearing na made from polymer. So hindi talaga kakalawangin na nakalagay sa line roller. And since this reel is really made for saltwater, yes, meron siyang sealing. Meron siya yung KISS na system ni KastKing. And it is IP6 waterproof yung kanyang rating. So you could find around 16 sealings na naka-distribute all around the reel, making this reel a total water resistant na spinning reel. So if you want to check this reel out, ilalagay ko to sa yellow basket and makikita nyo rin to sa aking showcase.